Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get corn seed in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get the corn seed, you can go to the Blanc's gardening store. You can visit Blanc here. Okay, let me show you on the map. Okay, this is Blanc in the garden street guys. And you can go to the gardening store and you can buy the corn seed, and you will need 170 gold. I'm going to purchase it. All right, and you can unlock this corn seed after you reach level 6 in your gardening hobby. Okay, let me show you my gardening hobby level. Okay, I'm level 6 now guys. Once you have level 6, you can buy the corn seed from Blanc. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the corn seed in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.